Hey friends, a lot of users are asking what is an SCS file in Windows 10, 11, whatever it is. I will just remove 10. But here's the thing. What is it at the first place? It is a very safe file. It is associated with Adobe Audition software and it is usually in the temp folder. So if I press Windows plus R and type percentage temp, wait, percentage temp percentage and hit enter, so it is a file in the temp folder. Okay, now what would you do if you have a doubt? Click on any file, press Ctrl plus A, hit delete, and try to delete as many files as possible. So this will clear that file and it can be helpful for you if you have any doubts. Or search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here, each and every one of them. Click on OK, select delete files. Or the last option will be to run Windows Security. So search for Windows in the Windows search bar and go to Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, select Scan Options, Full Scan, scroll down and select Scan Now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.